Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we will explore MicroAlgo in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and now we are back to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has classified MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a loss of -45.48%. This equates to an average daily loss of -3.25% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 647 thousandths of a dollar is breached, it will first indicate a more pronounced decline. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns fluctuating between -73.35% and 832.09%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -27.13%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to 8,513.48% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $186.91. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for MicroAlgo Inc. Stock Price on Thursday, moving between $1.65 and $2.17. The MicroAlgo Inc. stock price gained 38.22% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, rising from $1.57 to $2.17. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 31.52%, with a day low of $1.65 and a day high of $2.17. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 13.89% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 46 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 96 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $209,006,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $509.60, while the lowest was $1.11. Currently, the price is 99.57% or $507.43 below the 52-week high, and 99.98% or $14,297.83 below the all-time high reached on December 13th of 2022, when the price peaked at $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc. has been actively advancing its position in the quantum computing sector with several key developments over the past month. On the 14th of May, the company announced its research on a quantum information recursive optimization algorithm aimed at solving combinatorial optimization problems, showcasing their commitment to innovation in this critical area. Just days earlier, on the 12th of May, MicroAlgo revealed the development of a quantum convolutional neural network designed to enhance traditional computer vision tasks, effectively bridging quantum computing with existing technologies. This series of advancements follows the introduction of a quantum image encryption algorithm on the 8th of May, which leverages quantum mechanics for secure image protection, indicating a strategic focus on applications that enhance data security. Moreover, they introduced a classifier auto-optimization technology based on variational quantum algorithms on the 2nd of May, further emphasizing their ongoing efforts to enhance computational efficiency in quantum machine learning. Financially, MicroAlgo reported strong growth for 2024 on the 28th of April, announcing revenues of approximately $75,300,000 and a notable net income turnaround from previous losses. This financial health, coupled with strategic shifts towards central processing algorithms, reinforces investor confidence. In the short term, these advancements may lead to increased interest and potential stock price appreciation as investors respond to the company's innovative trajectory. Long term, if these technologies gain traction and translate into revenue, they could substantially enhance MicroAlgo's market position, driving further growth and solidifying its reputation in the quantum landscape. Moreover, the recent increase in stake by WiMi Hologram Cloud to 67.65%, coupled with a decade-long lockup period, signals strong institutional confidence, likely bolstering stability in MLGO stock performance. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified from MicroAlgo. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these could impact the stock's short-term development. MicroAlgo Inc. stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This occurs because the long-term average is above the short-term average, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.76. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $1.70. A breakout above the long-term average will trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general sentiment. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 91.05%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 38 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 251 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 29 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. MicroAlgo Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $2.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is expected to experience significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 520 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 31.52%. In the last week, the stock demonstrated daily average volatility of 32.95%. Before we explore potential favorable trading levels for MicroAlgo, let's take a moment to discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may signify insufficient profitability and an increased risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $2.43. If you do not currently hold any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo encounters its first support level at $2.10. If this support level remains intact, it may present an appealing entry point, anticipating a possible rebound. The combined average rating for MicroAlgo from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Incorporated shows several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Our latest analysis has adjusted the evaluation from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued for trading on Friday, the 23rd of May. We expect MicroAlgo to open lower by 173 cents and begin trading at $2. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.